can dip me underway. You can fill my mouth with flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all.
Hey guys, my name is Lulu. If you're new here, if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you are returning and you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Click the subscribe button down below. Let's make this official. Anyway, I am back again with another video, and today I am doing, I don't know why I'm leaning like this when I'm speaking, but okay. Yeah, I'm back again with another video. I am doing a hair install for Yolova Hair. Yolova Hair was kind enough to send me their hair, and I am that girl, guys. I am officially that girl. You know what, ne? If you're following me on, if you've been following me on YouTube, then you know that, or if you've been following me on Instagram, you know that my following on Instagram is growing. This is my first collaboration ever, and I'm so happy that it is a hair collaboration, because that is kind of like my niche. Also, I did mention in my previous video that I ordered hair from AliExpress. I'm so happy because I bought all of these things for hair, and I was planning to do a hair video, and this company now says they want to work with me. I'm like, yeah, everything is going like this. It's going like this. This will be like my very first serious hair installation. I have been kind of sort of like using the Got2b spray when I do my other wigs.
This hair is a 13 by 4 transparent lace wig, and it came in 20 inches. It is 180 density, and it feels pretty full. I love the highlights. I love the length of the hair. It is giving like 20 inches, and it's honestly giving Beyonce. The color is giving Beyonce, child. So I'm pretty excited to install this hair. This unit came pre-plugged, so there is no need for customization if you're not familiar with it. I love the lace on this hair. It is very natural and it blends well with your skin tone. The link to the unit will be in the description box below. So if you shop at Yolova, you can use my discount code when you shop for this hair or any hair in particular. My discount code will be in the description box as well. Okay, so I'm using a dreadlock gel. I use this for my edges. So yeah, I use it to push my hair back so that I know where to place the glue, and that I don't place the glue on my hair, because as you can see, my edges are fighting for their own damn life, girl. So I don't want to be losing my edges in the process. I like this dreadlock gel because it leaves my hair shiny. It tames the hair the way that I want. It doesn't leave a white cast on my hair. Next, you're gonna need a wig cap. I'm doing a bold cap method, but before that, you're gonna need rubbing alcohol to remove dirt and oil on your hair so that the glue can stick. In this case, I use sanitizer. It's 70% sanitizer, and it works the same way. So next time, y'all, I'm gonna need rubbing alcohol. I realized that I actually ran out of rubbing alcohol. So yeah, the sanitizer worked, guys. It did the damn thing. You gotta make use of what you have. Next, you're gonna need scissors to cut holes in the wig cap on the area close to your ears. The scissors that I had were old and they did not work properly, but I ended up making it work anyways. Next, you're gonna need Got2b spray to glue the wig cap on your head. As I mentioned that it's actually my first time installing hair, I'm being very messy right now, but you're gonna need to make sure that you apply enough glue on your ear tabs because they are the first ones to go off. I watched a ton of videos before doing this hair install, and in the videos that I've watched, none of them mention how long to use the blow dryer for to dry out the hair. In my case, I tried to feel the glue with my hands to find out if it's dry or not. So I would say maybe for 15 seconds I used the blow dryer for 15 seconds to feel if the glue was dry. The process of cutting the wig cap on the front of my head took longer than it should have because of the scissors that I have, but you're gonna need very small scissors. These scissors are long and I couldn't get to the part where there is glue, so yeah, make sure you get small scissors for this process. Next, I use a foundation. The foundation that I'm using is the Colorstay Revlon Full Cover Foundation. I like this foundation because it is not thick, so yeah, that is why I decided to use this specific foundation. I'm going to take a brush, a foundation brush, and use it on the cap, apply it on the cap itself and as well as the lace front of the hair. Next, I'm going to wear the wig and map out where I'm going to cut the lace. Next, I'm gonna use a wax stick to apply it on the hair on the front. Use a hot comb to comb the hair backwards so that I have room, as well as to see where to place the glue. Just be careful when you're using a hot comb not to burn yourself, because I did burn myself there, as you can see. So yeah, tread lightly when you are using a hot comb on your head. Next, I fold the wig like you can see there, and I'm going to be using Ghost Bond to apply it onto where the wig cap begins. So you want to make sure that you're applying the glue right on top of the wig cap and just push it a little bit to the skin. In the videos that I've seen, I see people use 2 layers of the Ghost Bond, but I'm deciding to use 1, and as you can see, I did put on a generous amount there. So you want to refrain from putting on a lot of glue, and also because I'm not planning on wearing this for a long period of time. So yeah, depending, I think I'm not really sure, depending on the length of how long you want to wear the wig for, maybe you can do 2 layers, but right now I just chose to do 1 layer of the Ghost Bond because I have read reviews and I've watched videos where this thing, glue, literally ripped or got rid of people's edges. So you want to make sure that you're not applying this glue on your actual hair. So yeah, be careful guys, you don't want to lose your edges. I did go and find proper scissors. As you can see, I'm using small scissors there and cutting off the excess lace. This is a 13x4 wig, and I ended up not cutting any hair off, just the excess lace. So 13x4 is actually my actual size because my head is kind of big, you know. I decided to fan out the hair instead of using a blow dryer. So yeah, this is me fanning out the glue.
Now I'm placing the wig directly on top of the area where I put the glue on. Next, I use a comb and I'm pressing the hair down to the glue so that it sticks a bit, and then I'm going to use a blow dryer and continue combing kind of, and just pressing the wig down to the glue so that it can dry out while it's trying to stick rather. Then I'm going to take scissors and do sections on the lace so that I can properly cut it out. You want to go in like a zigzag kind of like a motion so that the look or the lace becomes a bit more natural and that it blends into your skin properly. After cutting the hair, I did realize that some of the lace didn't have glue, so I went back in with a comb, the end of the comb. What is this comb called again? It's called a ragtail or what? Yeah, ragtail comb. I went back in with the comb and I pushed the wig up to apply the glue underneath the hair. So yeah, I went in with a bit of glue and I applied it on areas where I didn't where there was no glue. I went back again with the wax stick and the hot comb to just flatten the front of the lace. Next, I'm going to be using the elastic band that came with the wig. I was actually planning on getting myself an elastic band, but I've seen other YouTubers or on other reviews, they use like a satin scarf. So you can use that as well if you don't have the elastic band. So yeah guys, I'm using the elastic band. The longer you keep it on, the better your hair will become. Just keep that in mind when you are laying your wigs. While I wait for the wig and the glue to set, I'm gonna go and do my makeup and I'll be back. I decided to go with a side part because I can't imagine myself doing a middle part, and I think a side part looks better on me. So yeah, I decided to go with a side part, and I'm using a wax stick to lay the hair, like to help lay the hair down and make it become flat. But I realized later on that I should have used a foam. So yeah, if you have foam, use that instead. The wax stick's job is to lay down flyaways, so I honestly forgot that I had to use like the foam. I continued to comb and style the hair the way that I want, and then once I have the style that I want, I go in with the Got2b spray and spray it like on my hair, like just on top where I did the styling, just to lay everything down and to make it stay in place. I did not feel the need to go in with a straightener for this hair because I found it to be like bomb straight, and yeah, I didn't go in with any straightener and I was completely satisfied. I decided to show you guys the back of the hair. The hair, like I said, is 20 inches, and as you can see, it is giving. It's long. I'm very satisfied with the length of the hair. This hair is giving Beyonce child. Okay, thank you to Yolova Hair for sponsoring this video. For it being my first time laying a wig, I nailed it, guys. I'm giving myself a 9 out of 10 for this wig. Okay, actually I'm giving myself 10 out of 10 for laying this wig, guys. If you guys like this video, please do not forget to give it a like, comment, and also don't forget to subscribe. See you guys in my next video. Bye.